Hello, you guys.
Hello, everyone.
What's up, and welcome to our channel. Usually you see me. My name is Lauren. This is
Cody.
Codesters. Normally you just see me making vids on my channel. We are doing a night routine.
Basically, this is what we do pretty much on a nightly basis, so we're going to take you along with us and show you. So stay tuned.
Cody just got off of work. It's almost 5 o'clock. He got off at 4 o'clock. He just wrapped up. We laid out by the pool today, so you can tell we've gotten a little bit of sun. Got some sun redness going on.
A burn on my shoulders.
I know, we're working on our tan. So we're just gonna walk you through our night routine. We're gonna take Sugar on a walk. It's pretty hot. It's like 100 degrees.
She didn't pop up. Usually when we say the W-A-O-K word, she pops up. But
you wanna go for a walk?
You wanna go for a walk? Let's go for a walk.
I need to throw on some workout clothes because I just have my t-shirt.
Well, I have the workout shirt on, but I definitely need to change shorts.
Let's get our workout gear on, and then we're gonna take the baby on a walk. Do you want to go for a walkie? She's into it. Okay, let's get our clothes on and then we'll hit the streets. Okay, so I'm gonna put on some of my Old Navy basics. So we've got these black biker shorts, and this is just a Lululemon sports bra that I have, and then another Old Navy, this is like an athletic cropped tank that I bought in my Old Navy haul. And then Cody,
I'm rocking all Lulu tonight, so I got the Lulu maroon shorts, Lulu, I don't know, teal blue, or like just a light baby, like a baby blue. Yeah, I've always had a hole in that one. But then I got my Lulu undies.
He's all Lulu out. Okay, so we're gonna throw these on. Okay, you can clearly see that I got very burnt today. Wanted to show you guys this tank that I'm putting on. I bought it in pink also, and it's my favorite workout tank for the moment. I'm wearing these biker shorts with them, and then I'm gonna throw on my Lululemon belt bag because it is essential for the walk. You can hear Cody baby talking to our dog. Didn't make the bed today, but that's real life. Honestly, I don't make the bed every day because it's just not possible. This is what Sugar does when she's excited for her harness. Good girl, Mimi. That is
at first she used to hate this so much. It was like pulling teeth trying to put this on her. But then over time, when she realized that it was for something good,
she loves her walk.
She loves it.
You're so excited.
I feel like that's with most dog breeds.
Right. Okay, she's ready to go, but I don't have my shoes on, so.
Got my shoes somewhere for the walk.
I had a dream last night, it was different. It was you and I in faded television. I'm not in love with you, but if I was, here's what I'd do. Here's what I'd do. If I was in love with you, torn up sheets, all the feathers. There's a picket fence somewhere, nothing better.
I'm going to read. We don't have to leave for workout for like another hour, and I've been reading this book, and it's called Where the Crawdads Sing. I picked it up from the library this morning, and I'm already on chapter, I think 18 or 19. I don't remember. I lost my spot, but it's pretty good. The beginning is a little slow. From what I've heard, it gets really good in the ending, so I'm really excited to keep reading this. I've been super into reading, and I've been renting books from our local library, so I don't go and like buy a ton of books because they can get pretty pricey. So I'm gonna sit and read this for a little bit, kind of relax before we go to workout.
Chanel perfume and coffee in the afternoon. You way ahead of the side, flip it in the mirror until you get it right. My pillow's in the shape of you. I'm kind of afraid to move. Will you ever know what I went through? Will you wake up in my bed in the afternoon? And I hope that day I still remember it too. Subliminal love, 4, 3, 2 3, 2, I had a dream.
Okay, getting ready to go to workout, and I'm just taking my hair out of this clip because I always like to braid my hair and like put it back in a headband. I've just learned that it just doesn't get in my face as much, you know? Like there's nothing worse than working out and then having your hair just like in your face all the time. I like to do a braid down the back and then I put in a headband. Especially with the type of workouts that we do, it's like HIIT styles. I like to get it out of my face as much as possible. I also like have my bangs that are awkwardly grown out now. I just like don't know what to do with them. Like whenever you have bangs, like what do you do with them when they're like that length that they don't like to stay in any kind of ponytail, but they're like too long to keep out of the ponytail? I'm like, do you just bobby pin them? Braiding seems to be the easiest way to keep them out of my face. I still notice that they come out of the braids while I work out. Okay.
Last night it was different. It was you and I and faded television. I'm not in love with you, love with you. But if I was, here's what I'd do.
And then we've got the headband to keep little flyaways out. And there we have it. It's not perfect, but it does its job.
Here's what I do. Here's what I do. If I was in love with you, got that inside tunnel vision, I'd take you to Hawaii and be a musician. I'd know when to leave you alone, right till your left stereo. Will you ever know what I went through? Will you wake up in my bed in the afternoon? And I hope that day I still remember it too. Subliminal love, 4, 3, 2, I had a dream last night, it was different. It was you and I and faded television. I'm not in love with you, love with you. But if I was, here's what I'd do. Here's what I'd do. Here's what I'd do. If I was in love with you. This is our little secret, 9-hour cry. Subliminal feelings, I'm scared I'll say too much. And I'm only dreaming, I don't wanna wake up.
Alright, I made it home. You can see my nice sunburn that I got today at the pool. Real nice, even though I did put on sunscreen, don't come for me. I just burn really easily, but it'll turn into a nice tan very soon. It is a little past 8 o'clock. So we usually do late dinners on Monday, Wednesday, because we work out at 7. So I'm going to quickly rinse off in the shower. I washed my hair earlier, so I don't need to do that. But I'm just going to rinse off because I'm kind of sticky icky. And then we're going to cook some dinner.
Feelings, I'm in love. I had a dream last night, it was different. It was you and I and faded television. I'm not in love with you, love with you. But if I was, here's what I'd do. Oh, here's what I'd do.
Alright, just got out of the shower and I actually did end up getting my hair wet. I didn't wash it, but I'll get it wet whenever I want to put it up in a clip because my hair is so thick and long that it doesn't fit super well into a hair clip. So I'm just gonna brush it. My scalp is burnt from going out today, so that's fun. I use my wet brush. Truthfully, I don't know if it's like the best brush I've ever had. I got it sent to me probably like 2 years ago. I feel like it pulls my hair out the same amount that like a normal brush does. I keep using it and I still have hair on my head, so okay. And then I'm gonna take my hair clip. These are from Amazon and they aren't super big, but surprisingly they hold my hair well for being so thick. I'm just gonna pull my hair back. And then I learned from this girl on TikTok to like twist it like this. And then clip it up. And there we have it. Could be honestly a little bit bigger. Works good. So now we're gonna go into the kitchen and cook some dinner. For dinner, we are cooking broccoli and beef. It's really bright in here, so sorry about that. We're cooking beef and broccoli. Super easy, and it's not like the frozen Trader Joe's kind. It's actually like stewed beef and frozen broccoli. So let me get it out. Okay. Cool. I have a cookbook that my grandmother gave me like when I was in college and lived in an apartment, and she gave me a cookbook to like learn some cool new recipes. This is from that cookbook. It's 3 ingredients. For me, technically 4 because I add rice, but you're gonna need frozen broccoli florets, and then I get the stew meat from Walmart. It's like the chopped up pieces of beef. The secret sauce, which is P.F. Chang's creamy sesame dressing. And then my 4th one, like I said, is rice. We're gonna cook this meat until it's not completely brown, but with a little bit of pink. And I just put it on medium, and we'll just spread it out so it cooks evenly. In the meantime, I'm just gonna add some salt and pepper. And then I'm just gonna cook the meat literally for like 2 minutes, not a long time. And then I'm gonna throw the broccoli in there since it's frozen and you don't wanna overcook the meat. Alright, so while the food is cooking, I throw in these minute rices into the microwave. I have one going in now, and they're super easy. I like hate cooking rice on the stove, so I just throw these in for 1 minute and we're good to go. While the food is cooking, I'm gonna make a LaCroix. LaCroix is like my summertime jam. When I went to Walmart today, they literally only had 1 flavor available, so I didn't have a very large choice. I also got, we're gonna try it out in these glasses. I also like to do a little bit of lime juice. Not bad. And then I have some lime juice that I'm just gonna add it to it. I like it. There we go. Looks good. The meat is still a little pink, so I think maybe like a minute or 2 left. We're gonna add some rice. We do a cup of rice in each of our bowls. And then I just add the broccoli and beef on top. And we are done. Okay, we usually eat on the floor because I don't want to get our new couch dirty. It's not like super new. We got it like January, February, but it's a light color, so I don't want to get food on it. So I'll usually eat at like the coffee table, or we'll eat in the dining room, but we like to watch TV while we eat. I will usually sit here and watch some TV.
Feelings, I'm in love. I had a dream last night, it was different. It was you and I and faded television. I'm not in love with you, but if I was, here's what I'd do.
Okay, I just finished eating and I'm gonna do a little skincare. My nighttime skincare routine is very simple and easy. I wash my face with CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. And then my moisturizer is the La Roche-Posay Double Repair Face Moisturizer. I literally just do those 2 morning and night. And then I'll do like acne spot drying lotion with the Mario Badescu drying lotion. So those are literally the only 3 things that I do. And then I brush my teeth. to like show y'all my bedroom, me unmaking the bed, all that jazz, but I didn't make the bed today. It was just one of those days. Normally the bed is made and I'll like take the pillows off and I stack them here, so then whenever I go to make it in the morning, it's just like easily to put up. Like I said, it was just one of those days that I did not feel like making the bed, which is totally fine. Doesn't have to be made every single day. This sleep pillow spray, I don't really spray it on pillow per se, but I do spray it on the bed because it smells really good. It's just like a calming spray. My vitamins that I take, these are the Radiant First Form vitamins, and I take 2 every night. So I just keep those in my nightstand. And then also I have the Laneige lip mask that I usually will put on.
It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like it's...
Okay, so I've been reading the book that I showed y'all earlier, Where the Crawdads Sing, literally all day. I'm almost done. I'm on page, I think I'm on chapter 34. I've got this much left. Literally started it this morning, guys. It's definitely gotten better. I kind of have an idea of where it's gonna go. Pretty good at like guessing what happens to a book, but I'm going to read some more in bed. I'm trying to read and not be on my phone right before bed. Obviously it like isn't good for your eyes, keeps you awake. I'm already tired, honestly. I don't even know what time it is.
Through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. In your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna